everyone, good morning. So, it is mahalaga na pagising natin sa umaga. Let's take away all the giants in our life. Don't allow those chores or hard work or job take you down. That's giant in your life. Let's just get rid of it. Katulad nung si David, he woke up early in the morning to get rid the giant in his life. So same thing with us. Huwag nating hayaan na yung mga giant na nangyayari sa buhay natin, trials, situations, tao, trabaho man yan, maruwin na to yung buong araw natin. Just every day surrender to God, that just lean on or sit or stand and raise your both hands and said, Lord, I am yours. Surrender everything to Him so that whatever giants that you have in your life, you have someone that back you up. You have someone that helps you to overcome the giants in your life. So, don't allow the giant threaten you all day. And like what David, the day he killed the giants, he wake up in the morning and get rid of the giant. Okay, so ganun din ang gawin natin sa buhay natin. Hindi natin mapapatay yung giant or hindi natin ma-destroy yung giant sa life natin if we still lay in the bed and wake up late. So just wake up in the morning and snooze the bottom and kill the giants of your life. We have to dedicate ourselves to God every morning. Just surrender everything to Him. Lean on, stand, or just tell to Him, Lord, I am yours. Sabi nga sa Psalms 25 verse 1, unto you, Lord, I do bring my life plain. It's just plain and simple. I bring to you, Lord, my life. So, first in the morning, better if you read the Bible, and before you do the chores in your life, before facing the giants in our life, we have to read the Bible, the scriptures. Sabi nga sa Psalms, unto you, Lord, I surrender myself. Diba? Unto you, Lord, do I bring my life. So every morning, just a great thing to do that and put up your hands and say, here I am, Lord. Here I am yours. Hope that you learned something. Thank you, everyone, and God